finite series, and what is given here, a, that is the first term, that is equal to 3, and the ratio we can calculate, term 2 by term 1 we can calculate the ratio, but still we need the value of the n. So to calculate the value of the n, what we can do is, we know the last term, so we can apply the formula of the t of n. T of n is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So we can apply this value and we can equate to the last value, that is 1536. So we know the value of a and r already, and we can calculate the value of the n. So finally we will be getting the value of n is equal to 10 in this case. So now we have all the values like a and r and n. You can apply the formula for the sum of the geometric progress. So formula for the sum of the series is a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. We can apply the values of a, r and n here, and we will be getting the final value of the sum of the series. Next, this sum, 8th sum. Kumar writes a letter to 4 of his friends. He asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instruction that they continue the process similarly. Assuming that the process is unaltered and it costs ₹2 to mail one letter. Find the amount spent on postage when the 8th set of letters is made. So just to understand purpose, what we are doing is, first we are taking the Kumar is sending the letters to 4 of his friends. Let that 4 friends name is W, X, Y, Z, and 4 of his friends send the letter to other 4 friends. For example, if W is sending the letter to other 4 of his friends, W1, W2, W3, W4. Similarly, X will send to his 4 friends, that is X1, X2, X3 and X4. Similarly, Y will be sending to 4 of his friends, Z will be sending to 4 of his friends, and what is happening, this process continues. So first, what is happening, Kumar, he is sending the cost of writing the letter by Kumar, okay, one letter to 4 of his friends. So for one letter the cost is ₹2, and what Kumar is doing, he is sending the letter to 4 of his friends, so he is sending 4 copies. So for one copy it costs ₹2, and for 4 copies it costs 2 into 4. So for Kumar it costs 2 into 4, that is ₹8. Next, what his friends are doing, all the friends are like W, X, Y, Z. So if you take the first case, for example, W, he is sending to 4 of his friends, W1, W2, W3, W4. So what is the cost of writing the letter by 4, okay, by that 4 friends? It will be like 4 into 4 into 2. So first for Kumar it is 2 into 4, and for the next person it will be 4 into 4 into 4, 2, because he is sending it to 4 of his friends. So like this the chain will continue. So the question is asked is, find the amount spent on the package when the 8th set of letters is made. So to get the 8th set of letters made, so what we can do is, the last term, that will be like 2 into 4 power 8. So this is what the 8th set of the letters mailed. So now we will be getting a geometric progress, and the progress will be like 2 into 4 plus 2 into 4 square plus 2 into 4 cube plus up to 2 into 4 power 8. So this is the geometric progress they gave in this formula, and we need to apply the sum of the series formula, and we can get the value of the sum of the amount spent on the postage when the 8th letter is mailed. So here A is equal to 8, R is equal to 4, and N equal to 8. So we can apply the S of 8 formula, and we will get the value. So cost of sending the 8th set of letters is ₹1,74,760. So that's it for this exercise. Still will remaining problems will be solving in the next video. If any questions, you can, any doubts, you can raise in the comment section, and if you need any particular exercise to be solved in your max subject, you can let us know. So we will try to solve the same and we will explain the same in this channel. Thank you.